Hello and welcome to eMade Wellness Hub, your ultimate destination for holistic health and natural wellness. Today, we're diving into a critical topic for many women: fibroids. Uterine fibroids are non-cancerous growths that can cause significant discomfort and other health issues. In this video, we will explore natural tips and tricks to prevent fibroids. These strategies are backed by science and can help you maintain a healthy, balanced life. Fibroids, also known as uterine myomas, are benign tumors that develop in the uterus. They can vary in size and number, and while some women may not experience any symptoms, others can suffer from heavy menstrual bleeding, pelvic pain, and fertility issues. The exact cause of fibroids isn't known, but factors such as genetics, hormones, and lifestyle play a significant role. Preventing fibroids is crucial because it can help avoid the discomfort and complications associated with these growths. By adopting natural and holistic approaches, you can support your overall health and reduce the risk of developing fibroids. First and foremost, maintaining a healthy diet is essential. Research suggests that a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can reduce the risk of fibroids. Here are some dietary tips. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and kale are particularly beneficial because they contain compounds that help regulate estrogen levels, a key factor in fibroid development. Include whole grains. Whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, and oats are high in fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and maintain hormonal balance. This can be crucial in preventing the growth of fibroids. Avoid red meat and processed foods. Studies have shown that high consumption of red meat and processed foods is linked to an increased risk of fibroids. These foods can contribute to inflammation and hormonal imbalances. Instead, opt for lean proteins like fish, chicken, and plant-based proteins. Maintaining a healthy weight is another critical factor in fibroid prevention. Obesity increases the production of estrogen, which can promote fibroid growth. Regular physical activity helps in maintaining a healthy weight and regulating hormones. Exercise regularly. Chronic stress can lead to hormonal imbalances, contributing to the development of fibroids. Incorporating stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and mindfulness can help maintain hormonal balance and support overall well-being. Several herbal remedies have shown promise in preventing fibroids. Here are a few. Green tea contains antioxidants known as catechins, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Studies suggest that green tea extract can reduce the size and number of fibroids. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily can be beneficial. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Curcumin has been shown to inhibit the growth of fibroid cells and reduce inflammation. Adding turmeric to your diet or taking curcumin supplements can help prevent fibroids. Vitex, also known as chasteberry, helps balance hormones by regulating the pituitary gland. It is commonly used to treat menstrual disorders and has shown potential in reducing fibroid growth. Exposure to environmental toxins, such as pesticides and endocrine-disrupting chemicals, can contribute to hormonal imbalances and increase the risk of fibroids. Opt for organic produce, use natural cleaning products, and avoid plastics with BPA. Preventing fibroids naturally involves a combination of healthy lifestyle choices, dietary changes, and natural remedies. By maintaining a balanced diet, exercising regularly, managing stress, and avoiding environmental toxins, you can significantly reduce your risk of developing fibroids. Thank you for watching eMade Wellness Hub. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest for more tips on holistic health and wellness. Stay healthy, stay happy, and take control of your well-being naturally.